Hi everyone, I'm Patrick, AMR engineer for Stark. It feels great to be back on the road visiting sites and helping our customers get high quality data.
Back. First day back. Oh my gosh, you know what? All right.
Today, I'm attending a few gas AMR jobs. The customers are already expecting me, and the necessary arrangements have been made to maintain social distancing at the sites in accordance to the updated risk assessment and method statement. We're working in line with the new government COVID-19 policies. I'm wearing my extra protective gear to keep myself and our customers safe to manage the risks while I'm working. By packing my own food and drink, it allows me to avoid shops and restaurants. I also keep in touch with the team so they know I'm feeling fit and well with no coronavirus symptoms.
Feels good to be back. I hope your first day back is as good as mine.